Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In the past few days, especially in the crypto market, we've witnessed dramatic moves across global markets. From the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut to the sharp swings in Bitcoin and altcoins, volatility has been at some of the highest levels we've seen recently. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into Bitcoin's critical levels, the behavior of altcoins, and what all of this means for the big picture heading into 2025. Many analysts believe that 2025 could mark the beginning of a new, massive altcoin season. This won't just be a quick market update. We're going to do a detailed, comprehensive analysis. So grab your coffee, focus in, and let's explore what could be one of the most exciting periods in crypto history. Let's start with the big picture. Recently, the Federal Reserve announced a 25 basis point rate cut for the first time in 9 months. While this might seem like a simple decision on the surface, it has massive implications for global markets. When central banks cut interest rates, risk appetite increases. This drives investors toward riskier assets like stocks, gold, and especially cryptocurrencies. As a result, we've seen strong upward movements across many markets. Gold and silver have also been climbing, signaling that investors are looking for safe havens amid uncertainty. However, not everything is perfect. During the press conference following the decision, Jerome Powell highlighted global economic risks. He pointed to supply chain pressures, geopolitical tensions, and potential economic slowdowns. These mixed signals caused sharp swings in the markets. Rapid rallies followed by equally sharp pullbacks created both opportunities and dangers for traders. For crypto investors, this environment is crystal clear. Big opportunities are on the horizon, but big risks come with them. Volatility can lead to massive gains for those who time their moves correctly, but it can also cause devastating losses for those on the wrong side of the trade. Now, let's quickly look at gold and silver, which have a direct influence on crypto. Gold recently broke through a key resistance level, with $3,570 now acting as an important pivot point. Analysts are eyeing the $4,000, $4,300 range as the next target zone. Silver is also in a strong uptrend. When gold and silver rise together, it often signals growing distrust in fiat currencies. This usually pushes investors toward Bitcoin and other crypto assets as alternative stores of value. The recent surge in crypto has been closely aligned with Bitcoin's performance. Bitcoin reclaimed the $116,800 level, which now acts as strong support. As long as Bitcoin stays above this level, the likelihood of the uptrend continuing remains high. However, if Bitcoin closes below $114,300, we could see a sharp correction. Bitcoin's strength has boosted confidence across altcoins. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano are all maintaining their upward momentum. Ethereum is holding strong around 4,050, while XRP has been gaining attention due to news of a partnership with DBS Bank and rumors of potential ETFs. One critical metric to watch here is Bitcoin dominance, which represents Bitcoin's share of the total crypto market cap. If Bitcoin dominance falls below 57.5%, it could signal the start of a true altcoin season. This would mean altcoins begin to outperform Bitcoin significantly. Altcoin seasons are rare, but when they happen, they create massive wealth transfers. In past cycles, some small-cap projects have delivered 10x, 50x, even 100x returns within weeks. Recent data suggests we might be seeing the early signs of a new altcoin season. The total 3 market cap, which tracks all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin and Ethereum, recently broke above $113 trillion. This is a strong signal that capital is beginning to flow into smaller altcoins. Innovative projects with strong communities are starting to surge. But this is also the most dangerous phase of the market. Alongside legitimate projects, scams and pump-and-dump schemes multiply rapidly. The risks rise just as quickly as the opportunities. Here are some key rules to navigate this environment. Always use stop-loss orders around 20% below entry price. Avoid leverage, especially in altcoins where volatility is extreme. Enter positions gradually, never go all in at once. Research projects carefully. Invest in fundamentals, not just hype. During altcoin season, FOMO, fear of missing out, becomes your biggest enemy. Green candles can look tempting, but rushing in usually ends in disaster when the inevitable correction hits. The recent sudden crashes we've seen were largely caused by over-leveraged long positions. Many traders bet heavily on continued upside, using high leverage. When prices dipped slightly, these positions were liquidated, triggering a cascade of forced selling. In fact, we just witnessed the largest long liquidation event in the last 4 to 5 months. The lesson here is simple. In crypto, greed leads to destruction. Don't expose your portfolio to excessive risk. Stick to spot buying and gradual accumulation in strong assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you do use leverage, keep it minimal and only if you have advanced experience. Here are a few altcoins worth watching closely. Ethereum, ETH. The backbone of DeFi and NFTs, with major upgrades coming soon. XRP, gaining momentum from institutional partnerships and ETF rumors. Solana, SOL, known for its speed and expanding developer ecosystem. Cardano, ADA, growing its smart contract capabilities and partnerships. Small-cap projects, those with real-world use cases like gaming, AI integration, or decentralized storage. Diversification is critical. Never put all your capital into one coin. A balanced portfolio helps you maximize gains while protecting against major losses. Many analysts point out that the current market structure looks strikingly similar to past pre-bull run phases, like late 2020. If history repeats itself, we could see parabolic moves over the next year. But these rewards will only go to those who position themselves early and wisely. Key things to focus on as we head toward 2025. Monitor Bitcoin dominance closely. Watch the growth of the total 3 market cap. Stay alert for ETF approvals or regulatory news that could shift the market. Have a clear exit strategy before chaos begins. Crypto requires patience and discipline. There will always be sudden news events, massive swings, and emotional highs and lows. The winners are those who stick to their strategy and control their emotions. As we move closer to 2025, the signals are clear. We could be approaching a historic period for crypto. Bitcoin is strong, altcoins are heating up, and global macro conditions are setting the stage for huge capital inflows. But remember, no rally lasts forever. When greed peaks, the fall usually begins. Protect your profits, use stop losses, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Which coins are you watching right now? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For real-time updates and free trading signals, join our Telegram group. Link is in the description. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.